also goes to a young man. This young man is in Miss Photo's class, Most Improved, Matthew Mifflin. Next award is Student of the Year. The first award goes to a student in Mr. McKee's class, Isela Espinosa.
All right, baby.
Good job, daughter.
Next award, Student of the Year, to
Wow.
a student in Miss Photo's class, David Herrera. If you look on the agenda, which is on the back of the program, you'll see the next award was a Vicki Van Zyl Award. That was given out to a student in the class's ceremony previous to this, prior to this, and that was given to Ashley Gutierrez for all her hard work as a library on the 8th. Also, Lions Club Awards were given out in the other classes. We were given an opportunity to give 2 Lions Club Awards. Those are citizenship awards. One went to Elizabeth Reyes, and one went to, right there, Elizabeth Reyes, and the other one went to Jorge Castaneda.
Right.
And now I'm going to add an award in here as well that is not on the program. Every year we struggle with attendance. Research shows if kids are in school, they will learn and they will be prepared to move forward and do whatever it is they want to do. We have several students who have had perfect attendance. Originally, I thought, well, I'll just give them to totally perfect attendance, no tardies. And then I thought, well, that's not really fair because most of the kids don't drive themselves here to school, I hope. So it's not really their fault if they're tardy. There may be an occasion when they didn't get up on time or whatever. So I looked at tardies as well. Took perfect attendance and tardies, expecting to find a couple kids who had perfect attendance, but tons of tardies. But what I found out was the kids that did have perfect attendance, out of all of the kids that had perfect attendance, which there wasn't very many, the most tardies they had was 2, which is pretty amazing. Up at the middle school, we struggle with tardies all the time, and you guys will find when you get to middle school, it may be a little bit more difficult to be on time to class. Not because you can't, but because you'd rather be chit-chatting with your friends instead of walking between classes. So those of you that did have perfect attendance this year and great non-tardies, do the same thing in middle school. That's a huge achievement. So for our students with perfect attendance, when I call your name, please come up. From Mr. McKee's class, Hillary Perez Hernandez. From Miss Photo's class, Israel Jones. From Miss Photo's class, Oscar Lopez. And from Miss Photo's class, Vanessa Raimundo Garcia.